Welcome back to the channel. Listen, today we are in Pocahontas, Mississippi. I am down here about to play at this venue right behind me, and I gotta tell you, I just walked in, I set up. I'm quite a bit away from my home area, but I feel right at home already. Let me take you in here and just kind of show you around. Now this is just an old general store that they have made into a restaurant. Let's take a look inside. This is the staging area right behind me where I'm going to be performing tonight. It's got a really cool vibe. I'm really loving the old school sign, the Bluesman Pocahontas license plate that's over here on the side. And then also right up here, all of these prints. A lot of these are done by the same artist that does, yep, right there. That poster right there is world famous because of Cathead Blues and Folk Art in Clarksdale, Mississippi. I went down to the crossroads and fell down on my knees. So what would you suggest here to eat?
What do you like? We have really good crawfish, crab legs, and shrimp.
Okay.
But some people don't like seafood. So.
I love seafood. Now, is there a sampler to where I can try a little bit of the crawfish, a little bit of just of the everything?
You could do like a pound of crawfish, a half pound of shrimp, and then maybe like a half pound of crab legs.
Okay, let me do that.
Anything else?
That will be it.
All right.
Good deal. And what's your name so whenever people come, they will come and see you?
My name's Erica.
Erica.
And I'm Haley.
And that's Haley.
It's also I'm the other Haley.
Two Haleys and an Erica, so it's a
And a Dana.
And a Dana.
Y'all make sure to come see all of them whenever y'all come down. So outside we have a whole little just hangout area. We got an awesome fire pit right here. We got a nice little overhang. We have a little staging area for the band, but it's supposed to be getting chilly here tonight, so I'm not going to be playing outside. And then we have a nice little gazebo that you can come and sit under. So I finished setting up. I'm waiting on my crawfish, my shrimp, and my crab legs, and I'm going to let you know what I think about them. So I'm a Delta boy, as y'all know, so I've definitely had shrimp, and I've had crab legs before, but it was whenever I was a kid. So I'm fixing to learn how to crack these suckers, but gotta try the crawfish first. I have to say this crawfish is absolutely great because the fact a lot of times crawfish just has the seasoning on the outside and it really doesn't get into the meat. This is all the way through to the meat and it is absolutely great. Now of course, gotta try the shrimp. Got a little cocktail sauce. Okay. Normally I do, but I was trying to make this very concise just to talk about the flavor. So I got the head right here. So you got to pinch it, get all the juice, then you got to suck it. And that's what makes it good. This is going to be fun because, like I said, it has been years since I have eaten crab legs. And what is hilarious, I'm going to turn this camera around right now. Literally everybody is just sitting here watching me eat. I guess making sure that I'm enjoying my meal. And trust me, I am definitely enjoying the meal. So now we got some crab legs. Let's give them a shot. Oh. The crab meat is great. Very sweet. Good as always. Make sure to stop here. It is definitely worth your time. And on the weekends, they have entertainment too, especially during crawfish season. So y'all come on out. This is a look at the menu. Boudin balls. And I've been told that this is fantastic. Guys, I had an absolutely amazing time. It was a great crowd there at Kelly Ray's. Great food. It was phenomenal. So if you ever are in the area, make sure to stop by, grab a bite to eat, listen to the entertainment, and have a good time. And right now, I want to say a huge shout out to my cousin, Trey Hanks, for driving all the way over to come out to the show. Man, that meant so much. It really, really did. But guys, if you haven't already, make sure to hit the subscribe button and also click the notification bell so you know whenever I post up a new video. And also, make sure to check out the description down below for all of my social media links. And if you enjoyed the video, make sure to hit a thumbs up. Let me know that you care. But anyway, guys, I got to hit the road. Until next time, on to the next stop. Make sure to subscribe.
Our famous